You guys, I used to be person, always giving into cravings. Chips? Couldn't resist. Chocolate? Always down for it. Late night pizza? Oh yeah, it was a constant battle. But then I discovered these 5 incredible tricks that changed my relationship with food. So if you're ready to finally feel in control around food, ditch the guilt, and build a healthier relationship with your body, keep watching. The first trick is so simple, you're going to be amazed. Drinking water. Often when we think we're hungry, we're actually just dehydrated. Next time you get a craving, grab a big glass of water. Drink a full glass, wait a few minutes, and see if that craving is still there. You'll be surprised how often it disappears. Staying hydrated keeps everything functioning properly and can even help curb those pesky cravings. Keep a reusable bottle with you and aim for at least half your body weight in ounces each day. Trust me, your body will thank you. This next tip is all about consistency, eating regular meals and snacks throughout the day. It's about nourishing your body with healthy, balanced meals and snacks every few hours. When you skip meals, your blood sugar levels drop, leaving you more likely to give in to cravings. Instead, aim for 3 balanced meals a day with healthy snacks in between. Think things like fruit with nut butter, a handful of nuts and seeds, or some Greek yogurt with berries. By keeping your blood sugar levels stable, you'll avoid those drastic swings in energy and those crazy cravings. Now let's talk about the importance of sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for overall health and managing cravings. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more cortisol, which can increase appetite. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. This will help regulate your hormones, boost your energy levels, and reduce those pesky cravings. So turn off the screens, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and prioritize getting enough sleep. All right, are you ready for this next one? It's all about getting active. Even moderate exercise can make a huge difference in managing cravings. Exercise releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that have mood-boosting and appetite-regulating effects. Find activities you genuinely enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Whether it's dancing, hiking, swimming, or anything else that gets you moving, you'll notice a decrease in those pesky cravings. This last tip is all about changing your relationship with food, practicing mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness is about being present in the moment, including paying attention to your food. Instead of mindlessly scarfing down a bag of chips, try savoring each bite. Notice the flavors, textures, and aromas. Meditation can also help manage cravings by allowing you to observe your thoughts without judgment. This creates some distance between yourself and the craving, making it easier to resist. So there you have it, guys. 5 simple yet incredibly effective tricks to conquer those cravings. It's not about deprivation or being perfect. It's about finding a sustainable approach that works for you. Try incorporating these tips into your daily routine and see how they make you feel. Share your experiences in the comments below and let me know which tips you're excited to try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.